Graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form. Graph the line. There's two examples here. And let's translate these examples. Let's see what they tell you. The first thing you want to notice is sometimes we call this slope y-intercept form. It kind of makes sense. So here's the slope, and then here's the y-intercept. Let's remember what letter we use. So y is equal to what? mx plus b is what we call slope y-intercept form. And so m, remember, is up or down over right or left. So in this case, it says down 3 and right 4. So in some ways this is down 3 and then right 4. Graphically, scientifically, this means a rate of change. So down 3 and then right 4 is going to show you some kind of rate of change for your line. We'll do example B a little bit later. Let's first graph A. So graph paper always is very, very helpful, and a straight edge here would also be very, very helpful. So there's my y-axis. This is my x-axis. Let's first graph the y-intercept. So let's make this stand out a little bit. Let's translate this y-intercept into an ordered pair. It's 0, 2. So the first step is to graph the y-intercept. There it is, for the ordered pair 0, 2. Then from there, you want to travel the slope. Second, we're going to use the slope now. From there, we are going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we simply plot another point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot another point there. And now we could use our straight edge or ruler and graph the line. Connect the dots. You can see that there's another dot here. Make sure you draw your straight line through both axes. That would make a lot more sense, right? I don't think that was very accurate, so let's try this again. Close enough. It's good to label the y-intercept. Let's make that stand out. Labeling is a mathematical skill, and so it's very important to label the ordered pairs that you actually drew. And there you go. You need at least 2 points to graph a straight line, and a pencil and a straight edge is highly advised. Let's repeat this for example B. Let's do our translations. Let's translate the y-intercept as an ordered pair, 0, -3. And let's figure out what the slope says to do. The slope says right, the slope says up 5 and then right 2. And let's use our graph paper. There's my y-axis. There's my x-axis. Nice and straight. Let's graph our y-intercept first. 0, -3. And then let's travel up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right 2. And there's another point. Use our straight edge. Easier for me to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then write 2 again and draw another point. And let's label that line. Y is equal to 5 halves x minus 3. Let's label our ordered pairs. This is 0, -3, and then this one is what? 2, 2.